By good grace, I just arrived New York, and I have another flight to go. It's my luggage. Thank you. My lunch. I know everybody say I'm always eating, but what to do? I'm hungry after 20 hours flight. They are selling it. I'm gonna eat my lunch in New York airport. I miss my home so much. We are in Half Moon Cay, so we're getting back to the ship. So hot. So this gonna attach with the ship. Maybe you miss our ship, huh? David! David! Where is Steven? The water is too salty, I can't drink. We are doing only 5-day cruise, so today is our last port. We are getting back to just on tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Calling Steven. I feel hot, but I don't know how to swim. Say jump down from the water if you feel hot. Let's go. We just left from Nassau. like it's gonna rain. Oh, he give me heart attack from this guy. Crazy one. The sky looks so beautiful. Today I'm using Lancome lipstick. It feels good. I have a little bit done in my makeup. My face is so no, we're going down. So, did you guys enjoy the dinner?
Yeah,
You're not gonna see me anymore. This is your last cruise, right?
very much.
And I don't even know where.
With here, I'm also the good boarding man.
Everyone's
And this is my paisana. Her name is Warita. And this is my cabin mate. Her name is Jessica.
Uy,
I
uy.
and
Wait, that's
original
my
name is
boobs.
Ham.